Hello my dear students, myself Sonam teacher. I am going to teach you the lesson from the English textbook, that is supplementary reader in English, the lesson number 2, which was we have seen in last 2 episodes, and the last part of that story, that is bringing up curry, and its exercise we are going to see today. So what we learn in the last 2 episodes, the author was having a pet animal that was an elephant, baby elephant, and its name was Curry. Yes, and they both were growing together, and when they growing together, they were just learn the different things from each other. And in the first part of the story, we have seen the Curry saved one child who was dying in the water. When the author was taking the Curry to just wander near the lake, where it was the fresh air, and they were just daily used to go there, just stand, walk, and they bath together in that lake. And one day, as they were both were there, the author went to search out the delicious twigs and the different type of plants branches for the curry. So suddenly he was understood that he was came too far from the lake, and the curry was near the lake. But he was not afraid, or he was not worried, because he was already taught a master call sound to the curry. Means suppose the curry is in danger or he is having some problem, he can call his owner, that is author, to help him. As see, your parents are also telling, if you are in a danger, so what you have to do? You have to call your parents, tell your teachers or your colleagues or your friends, whoever is there who can help you. You have to call that person, and how you have to talk or call, that also taught by everyone. As in school also, teachers are telling you should keep away yourself from the strangers, it may be dangerous for your life. Same way, the author taught that curry that you should use the master call only that time when you are feeling you are in a danger. So he was very calmly, he was went to just grab all the things for the curry, and as soon as he was heard the sound of elephant, that he was giving the master call. So he get afraid, what happened actually? The curry is giving the master call for help. So he started to search out the elephant, and when he go near the lake, he find out that the curry was near the lake, and it was just disappeared from the lake. As he was keep that curry near the lake, and he went to find out the things, but as he came back, curry was not there. He started to search out the curry, and after some time he find out something black is coming on the surface of the water, and actually it was nothing but a back of curry. That elephant, means that curry was inside the water. Then author get afraid, oh God, what it happened? He thought that curry is dying in the water, but actually the curry was not dying in the water. He went to help someone else. So the author came near the lake, and he was started to saw that what is actually going on inside the water. So he saw one child was there, the boy was there inside the water, who was dying in the water, and curry wanted to help him. So what he did? He went to near in the water, and both the curry and author saved the life of that boy. And that time the author feel very proud to the curry. Though the curry is small baby elephant, he understood that he have to save that one. Yes. So as we see that the curry was small, then too he understand he have to help someone else or save the life. So in the next half of the story, we have seen the banana story. What? The bananas were disappeared from the fruit basket from the dining room of the author. And as soon as one day the author was sitting near the dining table, he was seen that it was a snake who was taking the bananas from that dining room. But actually, was that snake? No, that was not snake, but that was the trunk of curry. And he was just get afraid that snake will bite his family members, and he went out of the room and he followed the curry and find out the thief who was eating the bananas, that is curry. So the bananas were stolen by the elephant. Yes, and after knowing that the elephants were still just eaten by the elephant, so everyone was laughed at the elephant, but the author scolded the elephant that he should not do such things, and the elephant got a lesson that he did something wrong and he should not do the same thing again. And after that, eventually, continuously, the family members were offering different type of fruits to the elephant, so enjoyably, and after eating the fruits, he was saying thank you with the help of his trunk to the every person who is offering him the delicious fruits. See, when someone is giving something delicious to eat for you, so you are saying, no, wow, it is really tasty or delicious. Means we are giving the appreciation. As your mother is cooking your favorite dish, eventually we are not, or regularly we are not giving her such type of reply or such type of reactions that wow, it is very nice. Yes, we feel it is very nice to eat, but we are not giving. If you are going to anyone else, suppose your friend's home, and friend's mother is offering you something, that time you are saying thank you auntie and all those things. But our grandparents, like grandmother or your sister, your mother, who are the family members, to them very less time we all are appreciating. So it is also very important, or it is like a good manner to appreciate the efforts of someone, though it is very close person to us or a person from the relatives. So from today you have to keep in mind, if something is good, you have to appreciate, and then it shows you are very much, yes, you are a good person, good citizen, or you are having some good manners. As I know that you all are the good children, but you have to show this dignity regarding your family members also. Yes, mostly it is related to your mother, which we are not doing. So the elephant understood the different lessons. After we have seen that author was teaching to sit down. For sit down he was using the word dhat. Yes, which was the elephant took much more time, more than 3 weeks to understand how to sit, and after which word he have to sit. And sometimes he understand and how to walk. For walking he was using mali. When he is saying mali, that time he started to walk. And also he learned a master call. When he is in danger, he have to call his author or his owner. So see the next paragraph, which we are going to see on the page number 13. Page number 13, the second paragraph. The most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. He generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. The master call, the pronunciation, to just make a big sound when he is in danger, he was taking total 5 years to give the master call and understand what is the master call. See, when you are small, your mother or father were telling you, you should not go near the stranger, you should not take anything to eat like chocolates and all those things from the stranger. But that time you are not understanding why they are telling us not to take the chocolate, as chocolates are very nice. Yes, as a small child you was allowed to eat the chocolates, but parents were strictly warn you to not to take the chocolates from the strangers or anything from the strangers. But as you grown up, that time you understand why they were instructing you, warn you not to do the such things. Same way the curry took much more time to understand the master call's meaning and to give the master call. The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other. And you have to make the kind of noise in his ear. And do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him the master call? If you are lost in the jungle and there is no way out and anything is black except the stars above, you dare not to stay very long anywhere. The only thing to do then is to give the master call, and at once the elephant pulls down the tree in the front of him with his trunk. This frightens all the animals away. As the tree comes crashing down, monkeys wake from their sleep and ran from the branch to branch. See, the previously Kari was not knowing how to give the master call. Okay, the author told to elephant when to give the master call. Suppose anything dangerous he saw or he is having danger from anyone else, that time he have to give the master call. Suppose Kari lost in the jungle and he is not getting way to the home, that time he have to give the call or a master call. And if something he feels that is dangerous like a snake for him, that time he have to give the call, but instead of the black thing, that is stars above in the sky. Actually stars are not in black color. Yes, at night you feel the sky is black and the stars are shining in the black sky. But here they had used, just to make understand the Kari, the writer was telling or author was telling when to use the master call. But previously the Kari was not knowing what he was doing, just pulling or just breaking the trees and just throwing away. As he get angry, he is not getting way to the home, or he feels something is dangerous for him, and because of that other animals also get afraid because of this movement of that elephant as it crashes the house nest of the destroy the nest of birds. And as we know that monkeys are also staying on the trees. Yes, so they also awake from their sleep and they get afraid and they just injured because of this action of the elephant. So it was took much more time, like 5 years, to understand to give the master call. But as the elephant understood to give the master call, it is good both for the owner, that is author, and for the elephant also, so that easily they can find out each other and they can be safe. The last one paragraph of the story, see the picture you can watch here. In your textbook also the same picture you can see how the elephant Kari is angrily breaking that tree, just uprooted the tree. See the roots are also seen here. You can see them in the moonlight. See, to whom you can see the moonlight? Yes, stars. And you can almost see the stags running in the all direction below. You can hear the growl of the tiger in the distance. Even he is frightened. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and the next. See, as soon as he get very much frightened, what he did? Instead of just uproot the one tree, he started to break the branches of the tree and uprooted the much more trees one after another. He very angrily, he just next one trees were uprooted and thrown anywhere, and it was destroyed many other animals' life, and they also get started afraid because of elephant. Soon you will find that he has made a road right through the jungle straight to your house. So what he started to do? Yes, when he lost the home, that way of the home, that time he was preparing the new way to reach the home. But sometimes it is not possible to reach at the proper place. Then too, as madly he started to destroy the things and make afraid others also. See, when you are afraid, you also make some different sounds or the actions. Because of that, the next person also get afraid. Yes. Suppose you are watching the horror film or any horror serials episode, that time you scream very loudly, yes, and that scream was make afraid other people also who is not watching the serial but actually doing some other work, they are also suddenly get afraid, and after that moment might be they shout on you also that how you are screaming, that is not good, yes, it happens with us also. Or suppose you are busy in your study and suddenly your brother or sister came back to you and say no. So what happened? Yes, you just get afraid and you feel it is very angry. The same way the elephant was get angry and afraid, and because of that he disturbed others also. So in this way we had completed the story, that is bringing up curry. So that story is related to the elephant. Yes, the small baby elephant and author both were grown together, and the story was having the three different parts which was taught us that how it was grown togetherly, how they teach each other, how the elephant was like a human being, he understand the language. Yes, if from the childhood moment you started to give the such things or make the child understand, or that animal understand the things, easily they can come to know the meaning of each and everything. So here you will get the story is taken from the book, that is The Elephant. Before going to see the exercise of this lesson, you have to just go through all those words which you not understand. Here some words are there, I am going to tell you the meaning which came in the story. On the first page of this lesson, that is page number 5, you can see, you just open page number 5. If you want, you can note down the meaning of that word. The first one is, that is tiptoe. What is tiptoe? Walk on toes. See, when you are just walking on the wet floor, that time you are what you are using? Yes, only the fingers of your legs that are known as toes. On the toes only you are walking, that is tiptoe. The next one is a pavilion. What is pavilion? Yes, shelter which is used for the as a home for the animals. Then bumped. What is bumped? Hit something with speed. Suppose you are having a ball with a high speed, you just throw the ball on the wall, that is known as bumped. The another one word, that is nevertheless. What is nevertheless? In spite of, instead of, that is nevertheless. Okay, that is ebony. Yes, that is ebony, that is hard black wood which is known as ebony. And the last one word from the same page, squeal. Okay, loud noise after the pain or fear, sometime enjoyable moment or noise or pain. For the such type of emotions we are using the particular type of sound, that is squeal. Then turn to the page number 8. Here are some words. What is pleasure? Yes, happiness. Pleasure is happiness. Here is one more word, that is luscious. What is luscious twins? Very delicious. Okay, luscious twins, very delicious. Here is hatchet. What is hatchet? Actually it is used for the tool, okay, to break into the small pieces. Here it is used for cutting the branches. The author was cutting the branches in the small twigs, which will be easy for the elephant to eat. Sapling, as in science you had learned about the sapling. Yes, the small plant. just grown plant is known as small plant, that is sapling. And the next line again here is delicate. What is delicate? Very easy to cut, means very soft, tender. You can say soft, tender, very easy to cut, like climbers. As you see in the climbers or creepers, they are having very thin stem, that is a delicate, you can say. Next one, page number 9. Age. What is the age? See, age, age is different, which is tell how many year old are you, but EDGE, age, is a different, that is the corner of something, or bank of river, or bank of lake, or you can say the end of the thing, or any particular place, you can say, that is age. Or for the keen objects also, sharpen objects, for that also we use age, like age of table, like that. Here in the third paragraph, second one line, yes, that is dirted. What is dirted? It is new word for you. Move very fastly, it is known as dirted. To move very fastly. Instead of fastly, you can say suddenly. At just after a moment or after action, you just move fastly, suddenly move. To move suddenly, that is dirted. Now on page number 11, few more words I am going to elaborate with its meaning. That is crept. Can you find out? Yes, the crept. What is crept? To crawl. As you see, the snakes and other animals, they used to crawl on the land or the flat area. That is crept. Why the author was used to crept on the in the room to go outside? Yes, he wanted to hide himself from the snake. He supposed that if the snake will saw me or see me, what will happen? It will bite me. So he was just following that snake by crawling from the room. Okay. One more new word, that is astonishment. Astonishment. Astonishment is it used for the surprised moment. If you surprised or you are in a shock, that time this word is used. Actually, instead of surprise, it mostly used for the shock. After watching something dangerous or something very strange, you get stunned, that is astonishment. Next one. Yes, strewn, that is dried grass. Dried grass are known as strewn. Page number 12. Here, realized. To realize, to understand, to come to know, realized. Joyously. Actually, the main verb is J-O-Y, joy, and this is a suffix O-U-S-L-Y. L-Y is suffix is used for the joyous. So joyously, joyously, very happily, with happiness or with great happiness. So here one more word, that is whipped. The word is used by the author to the elephant. He said that I will punish you, means what I will do? I will whip you if you steal something else again from the house. So whip means to beat. Okay, give the physical punishment, to beat. B-E-A-T, beat. What is the pride? The self-respect here. According to the story, it is self-respect. So in this way we have seen much more hard words from the lesson which are new for you. One more sound is given in this story, that is to growl, that is a sound of animal with a throat. By using the throat like gurgling, as we are doing the same type of sound done by the animals when they are angry, that is to growl. So after this we are going to see the exercise of this lesson, bringing up curry. The first exercise, answer the following questions. You have to open page number 14. You have to just see the question, because the same notes you will be provided on your particular groups. So first one question is, the enclosure in which Curry lived had a thatched roof that lie on thick tree stumps. Examine the illustration of Curry's pavilion on the page number 8 and say why it was built that way. See, the elephant's home or the house or the shed, it was known as pavilion. It was used on the with the help of trees. Stumps. What is stumps? Actually it is mean the large cutted trunk of the tree. So the pavilion was, its roof was attached to the tree stump. But why? And the reason is, the enclosure was so built as to make it suitable for Curry. Curry bumped against the poles as he moved about. Since these poles were thick tree trunks, they did not give away or way. See, as we know that elephant is very strong animal. As we talk about the land animal, it is the biggest land animal which is having very strong energy. Not having only the big body, but it is having the strong energy or the very much weight he is having. So due to that, if that home or pavilion of that elephant will be made by the small twigs or the small sticks of the wood, so it may be very fastly it will be broken by the elephant. As we seen in the story, when it get angry, that time he just uprooted the whole tree, so that instead of using the tender things or the other angles and all those things to make the pavilion, they had used the tree trunks to make it very fixed and strong, suitable for the elephant Curry. The second one question, did Curry enjoy his morning bath in the river? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, when the author and the Curry went to the lake, they enjoy river, then they enjoy or not? Yes, the Curry enjoyed his morning bath. It was clear from the fact that he lay in the water for a long time. One come out, he would squeal with pleasure. When he is coming out of the water, that time he was squeal with happiness or pleasure. Means he was enjoying the swimming in the water. So third one question, finding good twins for Curry took a long time. Why? The author was taking too much time to find out the twins for the Curry, because finding good twins for Curry took a long time. First the author would sharpen his hatchet, which is a tool to cut the branches of the tree, which would take half an hour. It was necessary because the elephant would not touch multilated twigs, very big branches. Then the author had to climb all the kind of trees. He did it to get the most delicate and tender twigs. All this naturally took a long time. To find out the different type of delicious twigs he needed to use. The next one question, why did Curry push his friend into the stream? His friend means author. Curry pushed his friend into the stream to save the life of a boy. The author fell into the stream and he saw a boy lying on the bottom. He dived and pulled the boy to the surface, but the author was not a swimmer. The current of the water began to drag him down and Curry saw it. He came fast into the water. He caught the author by his trunk. Then Curry pulled both of them ashore at the bank of the river. The last one question. Curry was like a baby. What are the main points of comparison? See, as a baby elephant and large elephant comparison, Curry was like a baby. Like a baby, he was to be scolded when he was naughty. Again, like a baby, he learned very quickly. He sometimes did mischief like a baby, but he quite accepted punishment when he was wrong. The sixth one question. Curry helped himself to all the bananas in the house without anyone noticing it. How did he do it? Okay, see, the bananas were kept on a large plate on the table in the dining room. The table was close to the window. Curry put his trunk through the window on the fruit plate. He took all the bananas in one attempt. Nobody knew about it. But one day the author found him doing so. So he caught by the author. Seventh question. Curry learned the commands to sit and to walk. What were the instructions for such each command? See, for sitting, the command to sit was say dhat, and to pull Curry by the ear. The command to walk was say mali and pull his trunk forward. For walking, mali and to pull the trunk. Eighth one. What is the master call? Why is it the most important signal for an elephant to learn? To teach the master call to an elephant is the most difficult thing, yet it is the most important signal for an elephant to learn. Why? The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound. It seems as if a snake and tiger were fighting. A trained elephant can be given the master call in its ear in a forest. The elephant knows that his master has lost his way. He therefore starts uprooting the tree. Thus he creates a path through the forest to the master's house. In this way, we have seen the story of an elephant and author, that is bringing up Curry. We have seen the exercise also. So those notes I am going to send you on the particular group. So you have to copy all those notes in the second half of your CW and you have to send it on the particular number which was provided you for the sending homework. So till then you have to read the whole story, and after reading the story you start to writing your exercise. Thank you.